I have been a huge fan of Shanling USB Dac amps. I had the UA5 and the UA3, and they were some of the best USB Dac amps one can buy at any price range. To be precise, they were high quality, they had excellent balance, and the sound output was just simply outstanding. Both single ended and balanced were excellent. Here I have their latest USB DAC amp, UA6 portable DAC amp adapter, they are saying, but this one is interesting. It has a display, 1.33-inch display, and it uses 4 CS 43131 DACs. So yes, the resolution and definition part is taken care there. It can be used with USB 2 and USB 1 devices too, so no issues there. Now this one too carries over the hybrid power supply system from the UA5. So yes, you can have interference free audio output with this one. There is no power on or anything like that, but this one is bigger than the UA5. And if we see input is 5B1A, so no, you cannot use it with uh, just separately, it cannot be used. But yes, this one is a USB DAC amp. You guys can see the display there. I'm not exactly sure what that looks like. I will do the run around or walk around video within this video. No need to worry about that. So this is the cable. The cable quality is just average, nothing fancy. This is the adapter for your laptop. Looks nice. Priced at $180, if I'm not wrong, $180 or 18,000 rupees. This one is one of the most expensive USB DAC amps from Shanling. Yes, the UA5 was not cheap either. Should I have the cable out? Yeah, let's have this cable with me. There is nothing else in the box. Just some high resolution stickers and yeah, nearly nothing in the box of any use. So yeah, USB DAC amps rarely come with anything else except the USB DAC amp. I might have to get a case for this, but we will see. So this is the unboxing of Shanling UA6. Let's have a run around, or you can say walk around, of the Shanling UA6. It's a lightweight for the size, but you guys can see this is not very small or anything like that. This is aptly thick, and the size is bigger than most USB DAC amps. This one is more like a Bluetooth DAC amp, but it does not have any Bluetooth capabilities at all. So that is slightly bothering. In any case, let's have a look at the display, because there is no other way to turn it on. So Shanling UAC2, what are the settings we have here? That is what I am interested in. So UAC2, play, pause, PCM 192. So volume is the volume up down. There's no wheel or anything like that, but I'm not exactly sure how to control this at this point of time. I think I'll have to use their app to get into this device. It seems there is no other way. I do not think there is any other way to do anything with this. So it says Shanling UA6 and it's playing already, but I am uh, unable to walk into this. There is a screensaver too. So it's slightly different than the UA5. UA5 had a wheel and that used to respond. Okay, so here we go. Gain high. I'll keep it on high. Quad DAC. Can I change it? Yeah, dual and quad. I'll keep it on dual. I do not need a lot of decoding at this point of time. Slow filter. I will go into low latency fast, low latency slow. No verse sample. I'm not exactly sure what that mean. I'll keep it on low latency fast. Let's change that. DAC volume, system volume, track up down. So yeah, the key changes. What? Okay, this is the PCM. Can I change it? Okay, so it's a font, nothing else. Font. Yeah, this is good. Balance, I do not need that. Brightness is decent. Time screensaver 20 seconds. Okay, I do not need any orientation here. Switch mode off. Okay, SPDIF no. Theme. This is intriguing, I cannot deny that. So this looks nice. Gain level high. DAC 12. Low latency fast. DAC volume. So this one I need to decide if I want to change uh, anything. DAC volume, system volume, track up down. What should I keep it on? Track up down. I think track up down is the better option at this point of time. So yeah, let's have a look if the track up down works or not. This is slightly odd. You guys can see this positioning is definitely odd. Yes, it will not be a problem while using on the go, but at this point of time it kind of feels odd. Okay, so yeah, the track is changing. Not bad. Interesting. So this is the workaround. I was confused initially because I had not used a Shanling USB Dac amp in a while, but I figured it out. So this is very easy to use, and I will do an initial impression of the Shanling UA6 sound output. So this is it, guys. This is the initial impression and workaround of Shanling UA6.